We're here today at a Red Bull event, and I am photographing it using only the Insta360. No, that's not true. But this is the Insta360 Go 2. And the cool thing, so basically it looks like it's just attached to my jacket here, but inside there's actually this little magnet, and it's powerful enough that inside your jacket just clips to it, which is really, really cool. And then it just turns on and it's recording. So it's a very simple camera to use. Even though we are in snow and the camera is white, I would be fine out here using it as a behind the scenes camera. So here we are. Touch it one time and it records in pro video, which means at horizon levels. So if I'm doing this, it looks really nice. The flow state stabilization of both this camera as well as we use the Insta360 1X2 pretty often, and the flow state stabilization that they have built is really, really incredible. So now when I'm out taking my photos, you can see exactly what I'm doing. Look at this. Look at this guy. Right? This is a fisheye lens. It's a 10.5mm Nikon fisheye lens. And I'm kind of running out of things. I feel like we need some riders in here.
Yeah.
It records in either horizontal or vertical mode, and you can edit everything on your phone in the Insta360 app, which is a very, very powerful app. I'm very, very happy with it. With the 1X2, I tend to load all the footage off onto my computer. With a camera like this, I feel like it's more for just that social sharing. So shooting vertical format might be a pretty good idea if you're using this camera. It also comes with this cool little charging case. So you put the camera right in there, and then plug it in. And if you actually just want to run it just out of the case, you can actually just hit the record button here. And if you want to actually see what you're doing, as you can see, it's just a screen that gives you your settings and it tells you what video it's going to record. But if you want to see what you're shooting, it's just very easy to load up your phone. It'll auto connect to whatever the last camera that was connected to it when you load up the Insta360 app, and instantly, well, near instantly, I guess you have to open your phone and go to the app, but pretty close to instantly, you're seeing the footage from here. Still waiting for friends. So this is the elongated Insta360 stick, and here we go. That wasn't a full cast. I'm trying to cast it so I got pretty close. I don't really know what else to tell you about this camera. It is small, lightweight, and simple to use. It's great quality footage, as you can see, especially considering the footprint. The case also works as a remote control as well. If you want that, camera shoots 50 frames a second if you want to go slow motion, or hyperlapses if you want to go time lapse. It's a great adventure camera, and I'm very impressed with it. Watch me struggle with my camera behind the scenes right now. That's all. There's a link in the description if you'd like to purchase your own Insta360 Go 2.